International Association of Chiefs of Police Conference, Orlando, USA, and a couple of others. He's a member, he's a fellow of the Certified National Accountants, FCNA2, fellow member, Chartered Institute of Economists, is an affiliate member, computer professional. Would like to show some decorum, and that is the decoration of Deputy Inspector General of Police, Onwemele Kenechukwu, FDC, MNIM, PSC. If we have people that would like to join it.
As members of the top strategic leadership of the Nigerian Police Force, you are now entrusted with responsibilities that go beyond operational command. You are expected to provide institutional directions, strengthen internal strategies, internal discipline, drive reforms, and ensure that our policing strategies remain responsive to the evolving security landscape of our nation. Let your tenure at this level be defined by discipline, fairness, transparency, and service. The rank you wear today places you as custodian of the institutional value of the Nigerian populace. Your actions, decisions, and leadership style will continue to shape the culture, direction, and public perception of our organization. As we continue our collective efforts to repositioning the Nigerian police force into a more professional, technologically driven, and citizen-focused institution, your roles as Deputy Inspector General of Police will be critical in driving this transformation and strengthening our capacity to effectively secure the country. The security environment in which we operate continues to evolve in complexity, from organized crime and cyber-enabled threats to violent criminal networks and emerging security challenges. The expectations placed on the Nigerian Police Force have never been greater. It is therefore imperative that our leadership remains forward-looking, strategic, and firmly committed to professionalism and operational excellence. In this regard, I charge you to bring to bear your vast experience in strengthening intelligence-led policing, deepening interagency cooperation, enhancing operational coordination across commands, and reinforcing accountability within the ranks. Your leadership must inspire confidence within the force and trust among citizens we are sworn to protect. Let your tenure at this level be defined by discipline, fairness, transparency, and service. The rank you wear today places you as custodian of the institutional value of the Nigerian populace. Your actions, decisions, and leadership style will continue to shape the culture, direction, and public perception of our organization.